today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your WhatsApp connecting problem. So if you're facing this problem, the first thing you can do is check your connection. Because if your connection is slow or your Wi-Fi connection is slow or unstable, then of course you're going to get this problem where it says connecting problem. If your Wi-Fi connection is stable and you're still facing this problem, then you can do this thing. You can click on this three dot and then click on settings. And on setting, click on help over here. And on help, click on contact us. And over here, enter your problem. So our problem is connection issue. So we can connection problem. And after you write this, you can click on next. After you search for it, now it's going to show you all these options. So our problem is connection problem. So we can click on it over here. And it's going to tell us all this way over here on how to fix it. So I'm going to explain some of it. So some of it says turn off your phone and turn it on. And the other says check if your WhatsApp is up to date by going to Play Store. And this, that, and if you tried all this step and if it's still not fixing your problem, then the other thing you can do is go to setting and check all the permission of your WhatsApp if it is turned on or off. So let me go to my setting. So the phone I'm using is Oppo, and setting interface in different phone is different. So your setting interface might be different. Just remember that. But it's basically same on most of the Android. Go on app management, and on app management search for WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp. I can go on WhatsApp now, and on WhatsApp I can click on permissions to see if all the permission is on. So make sure all the thing over here is turned on. After this, go back and go on data usage status over here, and on data usage status make sure your background data is on, and go on network permission and make sure to click on Wi-Fi and mobile data, or make sure to turn on Wi-Fi and mobile data. And after that, it should fix it. But if still doesn't fix it, then you can always go on storage usage and clear data, which means it's just going to clear all the cache of WhatsApp and make WhatsApp new. And when you try to open WhatsApp, you need to enter your phone number again and verify the phone number to log into your account. It's basically like when you install WhatsApp when it is new. So that's it. Fix your problem.